Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best end tables in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 11. West Elm Marble and Brass End Table. The eye-catching marble and brass end table offers a distinct modern vibe with its mix of materials and unconventional form. The table has an iron frame with a bright brass finish, and the small rim on the tabletop keeps objects from being knocked off. In contrast, the pedestal base features pieces of white marble arranged in an X shape for an eye-catching contemporary appearance. Number 10. Pottery Barn Mateo End Table. The Mateo End Table is made from solid pine and poplar veneer, and its subtle distressed finish makes it a good match for farmhouse decor. This end table has rough sawn detailing for a rustic texture, and it's available in 2 finishes. Adjustable levelers on its legs give it stability on uneven floors. A matching coffee and console tables are also available if you want a cohesive look in your living room. Number 9. Tell City Chair Company Solid Hard Rock Maple Andover End Table. Tell City Chair Company Solid Hard Rock Maple End Table. Number 48. Andover Finish. Great vintage TC solid wood, high quality made item. 1 drawer on the end. Signed Tell City in the drawer. Item is used with use wear marks around to the wood and finish. A great find for your discontinued collection. All packaging and shipping included. Number 8. Winsome Wood Clare Accent Table. The Winsome Wood Clare Accent Table is, unfortunately, the least impressive product we tested. While the design itself is classic and almost charming in its simplicity, the quality of the materials and the challenging assembly process detract too much from this product for it to be a worthwhile purchase. The instructions are hard to decipher, as none of the parts nor pieces are labeled, and the key to identify them is on the front side of the page while the instructions are on the back, making for an aggravating process of flipping the page back and forth. Additionally, some of the diagrams describing the steps for assembly are numbered, while some are not. Finally, the Allen wrench provided is not nearly enough to wrench the screws into their pilot holes in some places, and our reviewers had to dig up a multi-tool and really put some muscle into it to do so. And in other places, a couple of the screws were so short they barely gained purchase in the wood, making for a questionably stable complete product. All in all, for the purchase price of this product, there are other designs of better quality and much easier to assemble than this one. Number 7. Amazon Basics Round Storage. The Amazon Basics Round Storage Table is another simple, easy-to-use product. A basic metal frame holds a removable tray table that can be used to carry things to and from the table itself. This design also boasts a handy cloth storage bin that can hold anything from books to knitting supplies to kids' toys. Our reviewers enjoyed the simple yet functional design of this table but were disappointed in the overall sturdiness and quality of the product for its price. The frame is supported only by 2 plastic discs that hold the legs together, and because the tray top is removable, the whole item feels a bit on the flimsy side. Although the assembly is mostly intuitive, the instructions are only diagrams and are not easy to understand. We expected a little more overall quality from this design for its average price in our lineup. Number 6. Ashley Laflorn Chairside. The Ashley Laflorn Chairside table looks traditional yet is also full of surprises with its many hidden features. Open the panel on its surface to find 3 electrical outlets plus 2 USB ports to conveniently charge any of your devices or plug in any electrical appliance that you'd like to sit on top. This feature brings a traditional-looking piece into the 21st century, and the convenience of extra charging ports is always appreciated. The other hidden feature in this design is the top drawer opens to reveal 2 coasters for your couch-side drinking needs, as well as a space to store a remote control. The best part about this model is that it comes fully assembled, and all you have to do is insert supports for the interior shelf and slide the shelf inside. This table has more of a traditional or classic style and will go well with other dark wood furniture. It is heavy, weighing in at 51 pounds, and takes up a decent amount of space. You might want to already have a space sanctioned out for it, as it is not the most versatile due to its bulk and weight, and it won't be something you want to move around. The top drawer can only be used for its coasters, and you will have to have a very thin remote to fit inside it at all. Our reviewers wished there was an option to remove the coaster insert, as we would have rather used the top drawer for storage. But if you're the kind of person who always has a beverage around, this might be a valuable feature for you. Number 5. M-Design Modern Farmhouse. The M-Design Modern Farmhouse table is a unique accent piece that also has a large shelf for ample storage of your favorite books and magazines. With an easy assembly that requires only a screwdriver, this model will be ready to be a statement piece in your living room or bedroom in minutes. It comes in a variety of colors, from graphite to rose, and its light and airy look won't add clutter to a space, especially smaller ones where bulky furniture can easily crowd a room. This table is certainly an accent piece, and for that reason, it is not the most versatile as far as suiting all interiors. If you're looking for something more classic, this may not be the design for you. But its modern, fresh look is much of its appeal and will be sure to make those who want a quirky table for their houseplants or record player happy. The thin metal legs and light frame of this table are also not made to hold a lot of weight, and you might want to take care not to put it somewhere where it could be easily bumped into if holding valuables on its surface. Other than that, the M-Design Modern Farmhouse table will surely be the recipient of compliments in any modern household. Number 4. Hubro 2-tier side. The Hubro 2-tier side table has a long and narrow design that is great for small spaces, can slide easily next to a couch or wall, fit comfortably beside your bed, or make a great storage addition to your desk. Its narrow profile makes it a versatile piece, plus its long drawer and 2-tier design make it our favorite model in our testing roundup for its storage capabilities. With its trendy wood grain and iron look, this table will be an attractive addition for most households. However, those expecting solid wood will be disappointed as the Hubro is made entirely of particle board. This does not detract too much from its overall appeal, as this table is sturdy enough and good-looking regardless, but don't expect the durability and sturdiness of real wood. It is also the most involved out of any product we tested to assemble, as it comes completely deconstructed. It took our testers precisely 52 minutes to put together, but the instructions are clear, and each piece is labeled for easy identification. If you are willing to put in the time it takes to put the Hubro together, it will be a great piece for whichever purpose you'd like it to serve. Number 3. Hayton Side Table. The Hayton Side Table is a wonderfully simple little piece with beechwood legs and a solid wood top painted with white melamine. This natural look is sure to fit nicely with most decor, and if you prefer a minimalist look, you'll love it even more. You'll also be sure to breathe a sigh of relief when you open the box, as the assembly could not be easier. Although instructions are included, they are not necessary as the assembly is as simple as screwing the 3 legs into their sockets on the bottom of the tabletop. This took our reviewers under 1 minute to do, and the table was in its place next to our favorite reading chair in no time. The Hayton table has a no-frills design and does not have any shelves or extra storage. If you're looking for a model to fill with books and magazines or would like ample space on the surface for more than a lamp and a houseplant, you might be better off with something else. But if it's simplicity you're looking for, this side table can't be beaten. Number 2. Sriwatana Sofa Side. The Sriwatana Sofa Side Table is unique in more ways than one. Its C-shaped design allows you to slide its bottom under a couch or chair and utilize the tabletop from a sitting position much like a tray table. This design is versatile because you can also position it next to your furniture like a normal end table, and its wood grain finish and slim metal legs make it an overall attractive piece. It has another unique feature in its side bag that hangs from its frame for easy storage of books and magazines. Although it takes a little more time to assemble than the simpler models we tested, our reviewers found the instructions easy to follow and set up a breeze. The Sriwatana lacks any drawers or tiered shelves and therefore isn't the best choice for its storage capabilities. The side bag is great for books or magazines but isn't somewhere we'd want to put other convenient accessories like remotes, reading glasses, or pens and pencils. Still, the versatility and great quality of this table make it our top value choice. Whether you want to use it as a snack tray while watching your favorite TV show, type on your laptop from the comfort of your couch, or grab your book from its side pocket while having a cup of tea, this table provides great value for its cost. Number 1. Veselo Sofa Side End Storage. The Veselo Sofa Side End Storage Table is not only an attractive and versatile design but is also made of high-quality materials and is clear and easy to assemble. What's not to love? This model comes in 3 different colorways that will match most room designs, and it's simple in style while also standing out with its unique crisscross frame. With 3 tiers, you can use this piece for storage or display purposes and decide whether you'd like to fill it with books, add a basket for organization, or display your favorite photo frames. The only downside to the Veselo model is its lack of drawer space. While it may not be the one you choose for organizing papers or desk accessories in your office, this design will shine in any living or bedroom space.